In this video, we're going to use the chain rule with the product or quotient rule. It says find the derivative of h of x equals 3x squared plus 3 squared times root of x squared plus 2. So we have a product, so we know we're going to use product rule. But you can see that we have an inside function here and an outside function with the square, and an inside function here and an outside function with this root. So we're going to write out what the chain rule is. The chain rule states that if I take the derivative of f of g of x, that is equal to f prime of g of x, where we take the derivative of the outside and leave the inside function alone, times the derivative of the inside function. Before I can use the chain rule, I got to start with the product rule. I'm going to say that u is equal to 3x squared plus 3 squared. U prime, then v is x squared plus 2. Instead of writing the root, I'm going to write that to the 1/2 power. And then v prime would be the derivative using the chain rule for the v function. If I apply the chain rule to the top function, I get 3x squared plus 3, derivative of the outside, bring the 2 to the front, subtract 1. I don't have to write the power of 1 there. Times the derivative of the inside function, which is 3x squared plus 3. Derivative of this would be 6x. So I get 2 times 3x squared plus 3 times 6x. When I multiply that together, I get 12x, and that'd be 3x squared plus 3. When I go to do v prime, I'm going to do the derivative of the outside, so that's at 1/2. X squared plus 2 to the negative half, and then times the derivative of the inside, which would be d over dx of x squared plus 2. Derivative of the inside is 2x, so I end up with 1/2 x squared plus 2 to the negative half times 2x. Multiply 2x times a half, I get x squared plus 2 to the negative 1/2 power. Now I'm going to write out what the product rule is. So I would have h prime of x is equal to u prime v plus v prime u. So u prime is going to be this 2x times 3x squared plus 3, not 2x, 12x. So we have 12x times 3x squared plus 3, multiplied times v, which v is x squared plus 2 to the 1/2 power. So x squared plus 2 to the 1/2 power. And then plus v prime, which is x squared plus 2 to the negative half, times u, which is 3x squared plus 3 squared. You could probably multiply all this out if you wanted. Might be advantageous here. We'll do that. 12x times 3x squared would be 36x cubed plus 36x in parentheses times x squared plus 2 to the 1/2. I could bring this to the denominator because that's a negative 1/2 power. So I could write that as plus x, and then that'd be 3x squared plus 3 squared over root of x squared plus 2. I probably better be consistent here. Either I used the 1/2 power or I used the root. So I'll use a root on the next piece. So that's 36x cubed plus 36x root x squared plus 2 plus x 3x squared plus 3 squared over root x squared plus 2. And I'll probably stop there.